Babe, some dude just said I cause earthquakes when I walk. You need to beat him up.
What? Where is this guy? I'm going to show him.
This is him, babe.
I was thinking on it a bit. Actually, maybe he's got a point.
Huh? You're scared of him or something?
Hell nah. No one can scare me, babe, but let's be real here. You got a little bit plumpier since we started dating.
Excuse me? What are you trying to say? Am I actually that fat?
Yes, babe. I know 5 fat people and you're 4 of them.
I'm just a little curvy.
Curvy is putting it lightly. Every night I worry you might roll over and crush me. I don't even dare to walk with you in public.
Fine, I'll sign up to the gym. But what should I start with?
First step, put down the burger.
Oh my god! Why'd you have to mention burgers? Now I'm starving, babe. Can I have a last meal before my fitness journey? Please, babe, it's just a small one.
All right, fine.
Let's see, I'd like 6 large fries, 7 double cheeseburger. Gotta watch the calories. And I want 90 nuggies, 3 sausages, 9 slices of cheese, 98 huge McFlurry, and 5 toasted buns.
What the fuck? Are you planning to feed an army, or is this just for your fat ass?